How do you define mental health? Mental health is really important in our life. Mental health includes our psychological, emotional, and social well-being. It also can affect how we think, how we feel, and how we act accordingly. When you prioritize your mental health, it will help you to determine how you manage your stress that relates with others, and surely help you to make healthy choices in the future. But before that, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning I bid to the honorable judges, teachers, and all of my fellow competitors. As for today, I am going to give a speech about mental health support from family. Families are complicated. Some people speak with their family every day, while other families might be more distant, where they only speak or having conversation or spending time with each other only over holidays. When someone is struggling with mental health, their relationship with family members might be strained or damaged, but family support could make all the difference along the recovery journey. That is why mental health and family support must be in synchronization. For many people, good mental health and family support can go hand in hand. Study research even found that most of their patients who face serious mental illness reported that family were their primary source of strength. When problems with your family arise, or when your relationship with your loved ones are okay, it could affect your mental health condition and making it worse. In contrast, when your family supports you, your mental health could show vast improvements. As you may know, the arrival of COVID-19 and its outbreak in Malaysia on 25 January 2020 has enormously affected everyone, including our psychology well-being, social life, study, and even working. As a result, there are over 2,000 suicide cases rising in Malaysia due to hardship amid from the coronavirus pandemic. To prove my point, the Health Director General, Dr. Nur Hisham Abdullah, also stated that some individuals are at the higher risk of suffering from mental illness, including depression, especially when they are oppressed under tremendous stress or when they are isolated from the network support from family. This leads people to lose jobs and also creating more complications to the family itself. This pandemic has been extremely stressful for families with significant worries about the health of family member, financial instability, food uncertainty, social isolation, and also had increased the caregiving burden that associated by having children at home. Domestic violence, children negligence, and lack of communication among family members that could affect one's mental health condition and expanding to more or other vulnerable consequences in the future. So, have you ever wondered, how can this be fixed? How can family member lending a hand? First thing first, all you have to do is try to recognize the early signs of mental illness among your family members or friends. If may, connect them directly to professionals so they could receive early treatment. Second, reassuring your friend and family members that you do care about him or her and express your concerns towards them. Do you need help to start a conversation about mental health? Try leading questions and make sure you actively listen to your friends or family's response. Try asking their condition first, like, I've been worried about you. Can we talk about the things that you experience? If not, who are you comfortable talking to? Remember, support is really crucial among family members. By showing this simple gesture, you actually helping them to overcome this matter wisely. Last but not least, I would like to conclude by saying that as a family member, we should always show our interest in supporting our family, especially on such prominent pages such as their mental health, safety, and many more. In Malaysia precisely, everyone obligated with love and peace because we all living by that principle. This pandemic might be harm to us, but I believe it won't make us kneel before it. By all accounts, we are capable to stand as a strong country that have lovely and healthy Malaysian family living in jubilantly. That's all. But before I'm going to end my speech, I would like to send a simple message to everyone. As a Malaysian, we should always help each other in need. Remember, everyone taking care of everyone, right? So, regardless of our difference in religious belief or in cultural life, we should always taking care of each other because remember, Malaysian supports Malaysians. Hashtag Malaysian helps Malaysian. That's all from me. Thank you.